Okay, the air conditioning on this Lexus GX 470, GX 470. So, visual, went around the system, and visually, it was missing the low side service cap. Okay, that could be potential leak 1, even though I didn't pick anything up. Visually went around the system, and you have to pull up and look down in the panel. And the lines, this is a Dooley evap. So you have the lines that go under the frame rail all the way to the rear, to the evaporator in the rear. And the other visual clue, you see that wet right there? Right there. All nice and drippy. So we got that right there. There you go, that's beautiful, isn't it? And since we got that beauty there, there's something else you may have noticed if you have a little experience. What do we got? We got Denso there, right? What is this? A Toyota, right? So who is the condenser made by? Denso, correct? Your pressure sensor is made by Denso, correct? Now, if you've watched my videos before and you have a little bit of experience with anything, what do you see? And what do you think I'm showing you? Do you see those big V's? Very few cooling. If I bring my tape measure up there and measure an inch, I probably have 12. I don't even think I'd be pushing 14 fins in an inch compared to the original Denso of 20 or 21 fins per inch. Then my other clue is, I know this is aluminum condenser, but it has a coating on it that is different than Denso. So I know this is not a factory Denso. So this was replaced before. How recently, I don't know. I don't see any big evidence of an accident looking at all the screws, bolts. Oh, well, actually, I did catch it. This was a body shop car. Let's see if I could zoom in here. Right now, when you see this, if you have your car worked on and you see grind marks like that over the spot welds, that is not factory. That means that this whole front piece has been changed. Let's see if they did it a whole section. Maybe not there. They might have done partial, but this has been in a front end collision. So this tells me this is one of those body shop beauties. The guys, of course, want the aftermarket because the insurance company is saving you money by putting a aftermarket condenser that delivers less performance, because it saves you money. No, it saves them money. They deliver you a product that, if you've seen my other videos, time after time, will leak. If one of my customers put in an OEM Denso and it leaks or defective out of the box, I will do it for free. I still, in 30 years, haven't had to do that. But if it's aftermarket, I'll charge you again and again and again. That's called idiot charge. That's called your learning. That's your schooling. And if you want to do that, that's a personal choice. So this is what you end up to. So you'd say, well, let's just get a Denso factory kit for a sock to fit inside there. Do you really want to trust the machining size and the O-ring groove and everything like that, putting in another unit inside that sock? I don't think so. So let's see our part number. There is a number under here. So somebody who does condensers, who markets and reboxes, might know this number. But I can't find a label or anything like that on here. So I don't know who put it in. And this is where I tell the customer, hey, did you have one of those body shops that had that lifetime warranty because they were a DRP or something like that? It could go in under there. Oh, but there's one other thing. Here's the kicker. What do we got here? R134, 88%. What? Only 88% R134. Unknown, 11.3%. 11.3% unknown gas. So we got a winner. We went to a hack shop. Okay. So they put in contaminated gas. It was missing a fitting down here. One of the cheaper, if not cheapest, getting down there towards 12 fins per inch condenser, and prematurely leaked at the O-ring at the dryer sock inlet. So this guy will be getting a condenser, and in my contaminated gas tank is almost full. I could probably put in about 4 or 5 more pounds in there, and I think this system only has just under 2 pounds, so I'm okay. That's it on this one. Condenser, remove gas, get a DENSO, and we'll go for there. Now I'm going to go over the front and rear evaporator. Oh, did I show you this? We might as well do this since I'm here. And there we go. And it's coming out in little spurts, and then sometimes it shuts off, it stops leaking, and then it spurts some more. So that's it. Just another car, another customer's car, hacked by somebody putting a piece of shit condenser in there, putting in contaminated gas, and this is my daily story. As you must know by now if you watched enough of my videos, there'll be more to this when we do the condenser. See you guys later.